Let's get all the stuff on the counter.
Guys, we got the last cookie.
Come, let me show you how cool they're looking. They're already growing.
Nana's YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting baking video. Before we start this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button down below and also share this with your family. Let's start baking. Let's get all the stuff on the counter. Boom, boom. What? You try.
Okay, let me try my magic.
Whoa, your magic worked, Nana. You know what? High five. Good job.
Yay.
Let's start baking.
Yay!
Okay, so whoa, what do we have here? Sugar cookies. And what do we have? Strawberry frosting. Okay, so let's start this. So what we have here is 1 stick of butter, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And obviously we have our sugar cookie mix. So let's start. Whoop. Let's put it in the bowl. Can you help? Good. It's okay. Okay, ready? Help me pour it. Whoa.
That's good.
Okay, let me do the rest right here. Smells really good. Smell it. All right, so now we're gonna add our 1 stick. Oh wait, actually we're gonna add our egg. Whoa, look at that.
That's jiggly.
And we're gonna add our 3.
Then I'm gonna add
Tablespoons.
the one more.
Yes, you're gonna add 1 here. I'm gonna help you. Good job.
Can I do the third one?
Yeah, here, sure. Good job. Now we're gonna add our 1 stick of butter. Here, you can do it. Right here. Put it all in. Here, I'll help you. Good. And this is soft. Make sure it's not melted, because then it won't mix properly. Perfect. Here, let me do it. Getting all of it in. Perfect. Now we're going to mix. Okay, you want to mix? Okay, you're gonna hold my hand. Okay guys, I'm all done mixing up the batter. And we have all of our things assembled. Make sure you guys wash your hands before this next step. We have all of our cookie cutters. We have our flour back again because we're gonna need to lightly sprinkle it on here so the dough doesn't stick. And we also have some butter for the pan. Nana, can you pass me the bowl, please?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna plop it. You wanna plop it with me?
Yeah.
Okay, go, do it with your fingers. Good job. Whoa, look at that. So as we go, we're gonna sprinkle some dough. So, flour.
I'll do some too.
Okay. So
That
silly.
tickled.
Okay,
That tickled.
we're gonna add a little bit over here. And spread it. Okay, so I'm sprinkling the flour because I don't want the dough to stick. So we're gonna kind of pat it down. And we're gonna start making our cookies now. And these are cut up cookies. So let's take a little bit, Nana. Good. Now you're gonna put it down and flatten it. I have a rolling pin with me, so I'm gonna roll out my dough. I'm all done rolling. Now I'm gonna make a lip shape. Okay. I'm gonna take off the excess. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. Let me grab a pan to butter it up. Can you grab me the butter, please?
Sure.
I'm gonna butter it so the cookie doesn't stick while baking. One done, and 4 more to go. Before we start the next cookie, do us a favor, go like, share, and subscribe down below to see more baking and fun videos.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys.
Let's continue.
Guys, we got the last cookie.
Nana, can you push it down?
Yeah.
Good. good. Now let me take off all the excess.
Then I'm gonna take the. It's already come out.
Take it out.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, that looks so cool. Down with the last cookie.
Wow, Lisa, they look so delicious. I can't wait to eat them.
Make sure you have your parents put the oven to 370 degrees. Dad, oven's ready.
Okay, I'm here. Here we go, Elisa. Have fun, guys.
Let's set the time for 20 minutes. We'll wait. Come, let me show you how cool they're looking. They're already growing.
20 minutes later.
Dad, the cookies are done.
Okay. Wow, they look so delicious.
Okay, guys, we have our cookies out. Well, we like ours a little bit crispy. It depends how you guys like it. So we left them like this. So we have our strawberry frosting. Me and Nana are gonna frost. Ready?
Look at that pink frosting. I want to eat it.
Really tastes really good.
You do it.
Okay.
You do it. And you're gonna do these.
Okay.
So yummy. I can't wait to eat the donut.
Oh.
Yummy. I can't wait to eat it.
Okay, last one.
I'm gonna eat the lip.
Let's spread this. Oh! Uh-oh, it got on me. It's okay. I'll clean it. Ooh, look at that.
Yummy. I'm gonna eat the egg.
Smells like a strawberry wafer. Okay, guys, we have the cookies frosted. Now we have our sprinkles, and we're gonna sprinkle. Which color should we do?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Okay, so first we're gonna do red.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot because it's gonna taste so good. Okay, guys, we're done with our sprinkles, and these look so yummy. Let's say goodbye. Mmm.